Welcome to this tutorial about dynamic fares. In this video you learn how to file basic discounted deals. Dynamic fares is the application of the FareExpert fare filing platform that helps our customers to define discounted deals, promotions, and modify fares conditions. Once you've logged on FareExpert, if you have access to dynamic fares, you must see the application. Click on the link Dynamic Fares to access to the web page of the application. In the main panel, you have access to a main tab, where you can manage your promotion sets, some links to the online help and to the contact, and the possibility to create new tabs in order to manage several carriers in one session. For the purpose of this video, let's imagine we want to create a promotion for the carrier Amadeus with a discount of 3% of all the ATP private fares between Europe and world, except between Paris and London, and distributed to all Amadeus employees. To create or open a promotion, you must enter the carrier code and the promotion set name. By using the comma, you can open multiple promotion sets at a time. In our case, the promotion is for Amadeus, and we call the promotion Worldwide. We enter a new panel with different information. A main panel, where you file the different conditions, a tree manager to help you to have a global view on your discounted deals and promotion sets, some facilitation functions to help you to be more efficient, such as copy-paste or duplicate functions. If we look at the tree manager, we have access to the promotion set structure. First, you define general information. Description of the promotion, in our case, promotion worldwide. The evolution date of the promotion with indefinite date or fixed date. The travel date, range of commencement date, completion date. The distribution of the promotion. It can be by office ID, IATA number, or vendor aggregate. In our case, we want to distribute to all Amadeus employees, so we distribute to all office IDs with one A0. The ticketing rules. By default, the base fare ticketing rules are used, but you can customize with other reporting methods. And the rules conditions. You can modify the base fares rules conditions, keep them, override them, waive them, or complete them. If you want to override or complete the base fare condition, you need to file new ones in the promotion conditions panel. Then you define the discounted deals. Discounted deals are defined by market. In our example, Europe, to world. All the discounts defined in this table will be between Europe and world. If you need to define discounts in other geography, you need to define other market. One discount is divided into 4 parts. First, you define the PTC that has access to the discount. Here it's any, it could be adult, for example. Then you define the amount calculation. We want 3% off. It represents 97% of the base fare amount. Then you define the base fare information. We want discounts on all the ATP private fares except between Paris and London. So we have all the private fares except Paris and London. Finally, you may want to customize the resulting fares and choose, for example, specific fare bases or ticket designator. Once you've defined the discount, you may want to use this template for other market or amount calculation. In this case, you can use the facilitation function to duplicate the discount or copy-paste one discount from one promotion set to another one. Once you've done with the filing of your discounted deal, you can submit and close. In this video, we have defined a promotion 3% discount off of all ATP private fares except between Paris and London for Amadeus Carrier and distributed to all Amadeus employees. If you need additional information, please refer to the user guide or the online help. Thank you.